And for you folks who are tuning into the channel for the first time and are new to aquaponics, just to let you know, there is a lot of free videos on here on the playlist. There's one that'll be linked in the description, and also it'll pop up at the end of the video, just going through how to build your own DIY aquaponics system. Not only that, I do offer for sale a backyard aquaponics beginner's guide. It's an online interactive guide, $19.95 US, and there may be a couple of vouchers. Big Bed, all capital letters, will get you $5 off. It's a coupon I did in the last video, but no one's seen the little scroll, I don't think. Anyway, so yeah, check that out if you are interested and you'd like to support the channel that way. Now, just quickly, something that I've found a couple of times this week is people are wanting to send me emails, or me to send them emails and help them with their aquaponics system. As you folks know who have been following us for years, I'm pretty active in the comments section. Lately I haven't been as active because we're a little bit busy buying a farm, looking after my parents. Although my sister does a lot of the heavy lifting there, I'm on call for both my mother and father. I also have to run a house, also have to run a child around TAFE and those sort of things until she finds her own wheels. So I'm not always able to just drop everything and answer emails or send emails and help people design systems and help them with all their questions. I'm sorry, I just don't have that time. I do at times receive emails that I do get a chance to reply to and help folks out. But at this point in time, I'm flat out helping family and friends, and any chance I get, I do answer questions I find in the comments of the video. So if you are having issues with your aquaponics, leave a comment down in the video, and if I have time, I'll get back to you. In saying that, if you are a supporter of the channel through the YouTube membership program or our Farm Your Own Yard patron page, that does get you pretty much all a hotline to me within 24 hours. I will get back to you and I will answer your questions. It's just one of those things I do to say thanks for people, and I think, you know, they deserve that sort of a response from me. The same goes with the guide. When you do purchase the guide, you get 2 free questions you can ask me. And as folks who have purchased the guide already know, those questions can sometimes go on for months and I don't close them off. But after two questions, I do have the option to close it off and charge you $5 a question. I think I've done it to one person because he begged me to do it. So I am not a miser. I'm not all in this for the money, and I'm not trying to make $1 million. But if you do want quick access to me, you can either support the channel, buy the guide and use that facility there, or take your time and get a response in the comments. I'm not answering any emails at the moment. I'm flat out organising finance and moving from this place to the new place and all that sort of stuff. So I am very busy. I'm not just one of those people who, you know, don't want to answer your questions. If you don't like that, go and try some of the other big YouTubers who are into aquaponics. Ask them a question under their video, or send them an email and see how fast it takes them to get back to you. So anyway, that's enough of me carrying on like a git. Tomorrow we'll be back, hopefully finishing this off and getting the fish down here in the system. We'll just have to wait and see how she goes.